Clark going down the hill. This is the area that he's covering with the lawnmower. I don't know how big it is, but this is the yard that he's doing. And he'll be coming around again shortly. I don't know what he's doing. You never know with Clark. But he'll be back and I'll tell you what he's doing. Here he's coming. I can't talk while the lawnmower's going, but I'll tell you. I think you could see the grass rolling out or blowing out as he was cutting it off. And you can sort of see the ridge where he's already cut. So he does this. It takes him about 2 or 3 hours, so he does everything. And sometimes even more. And then he has to go around and trim the grass. So it's really quite a bit of work. Sorry. And here he is, coming up again. Because he was right next to me, blowing the grass all over me. So I hope you got to see that. And you have anything to say, Clark?
No. Did you get shots of the grass coming out?
As good as I could, but you were on my feet, right at my feet, and it was blowing on me. Yeah. But I got some further down.
Okay.
So
that's probably about the best we can do.
Okay, we'll talk to you later, guys.